Hi you guys. If you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. I always forget to say that. And if you saw the video of the ham and cheesy potato soup, this is the rest of the canned ham from that recipe. So we are going to use it to make my husband's breakfast for the week. So we are going to make a week's worth of breakfast burritos, and I already have some green onion and bell pepper diced up. Now we're going to dice up the rest of this ham, and I have 6 eggs beaten in a bowl, and we will add some cheese at the end. So this is just another way to use that canned ham. And this is really stretching that canned ham, being we already had a pot of soup out of it. And now we will have a week's worth of breakfast. And my dog wants out, so I'm going to get the skillet hot, wash my hands, and I'll be right back. Okay. So that ham in there. And we will be using these high fiber extreme wellness tortilla wraps. Come on, skillet, get going. Go ahead and add our bell pepper. Oh, Mitzi, I can hear you. For something so tiny, she sure is loud. So get that going, and we'll be back when this starts doing something. Okay, we got a sizzle, sizzle, fry, fry going on here. We're going to get it a little crispy. That was the request. I'm going to add our green onion. I'm going to have to add a little bit of bacon grease or something to this for the eggs. Because as you can see, this is really not rendering a bunch of fat. So if you're worried about this canned ham being greasy, it's definitely not greasy. little bit of bacon grease in there. Here are our eggs. Turn that down. Get the cheese. Okay, turn it off. I grate some cheese over that. He doesn't like things overly cheesy, but he likes cheese. You can use any cheese you like. That is some cheddar. Stir it in. Clean as we go. I try. Sometimes I get totally discombobulated when I'm in the kitchen. I have smooth days, and then I have wackadoodle days. So that's ready to roll. I need to get my foils. I need a spoon. If you have never tried these tortillas, they are the softest tortillas ever. They're like velvet. So he doesn't like a big giant burrito for breakfast. And that's all we do. Roll them up. I'll put one in the refrigerator for tomorrow, which will be Monday. You'll be seeing this, I guess Monday, because it's Sunday. Yeah, you'll see this tomorrow. And he has some homemade salsa at work that he can put on here. And you could use your frozen or freeze-dried powdered eggs for this with your canned ham and your dehydrated bell pepper and onion, whatever you want to put in them. I think I'll get more than 5 out of these. And you can fill yours up as much as you like. But for breakfast, I don't think you need a ginormous one. With the egg, the meat, and the cheese, they're definitely calorie dense. And then you have your tortilla and salsa, so that should be filling. Looks like we'll get 6 out of that. They have these tortillas at Sam's. They are so soft. When we first got them, I was coddling them because I was like, oh, they're so soft. I was afraid they'd fall apart. I'm trying to do them evenly because usually the last one's a big old fat honker. So, see if I can get one more of these bad boys, then we'll have 7. That one's kind of wimpy. What can I throw in there? And I've got his granola done. So he'll have his granola, his yogurt, his burritos. Put a little sweet potato in there. There we go, some sweet potato. That'll bulk it up. That's from dinner. There. So see, you can put anything in these things. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 burritos out of 5 eggs, that chunk of ham, some bell pepper, green onion, a little bit of cheese, and the last one had a few chunks of sweet potato in it. So use up all that food, guys. You can do it. And I'm going to put 6 of these in the freezer and 1 with his lunch. So if you have any questions, post them down below. Share your prepper pantry recipes. And stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.